In this video, Russian soldiers open fire on a Ukrainian drone as it approaches their position. After sustained shooting, the UAV is successfully brought down while still airborne, demonstrating close-range counter-drone action using small arms.
Yes!
The footage shows the wreckage of Ukrainian drones in the area, which were reportedly neutralized by Russian soldiers while still airborne, illustrating. In this video, a Russian reconnaissance drone is concealed in the Krasny Lyman area while monitoring a nearby building. A Ukrainian soldier carrying a shovel enters the house, apparently unaware of the surveillance. Shortly afterward, the drone lifts off from its hidden position and moves to a location in front of the building. When the soldier later exits the building, the drone advances toward him to carry out an engagement. Another transport vehicle belonging to Ukrainian forces was reportedly dispatched to reinforce positions on the outskirts of Kupansk, illustrating ongoing troop movements in the area. A drone operator directing the UAV toward a concealed Ukrainian soldier, illustrating the use of aerial surveillance and precision guidance in close-range operations. Footage shows an artillery self-propelled vehicle being struck during movement, resulting in multiple personnel losses and the disabling of the combat vehicle, illustrating the high risks faced during frontline mobility operations. Russian security forces report that an individual from Stavropol, allegedly planning attacks against military personnel, was neutralized during an attempted arrest. According to reports, the suspect resisted with a firearm and was stopped by return fire. Authorities recovered a Makarov pistol, an F1 hand grenade, and a backpack containing a homemade explosive device made from foreign components. Footage highlights the operations of drone operators from the northern units, showcasing their precise and coordinated use of unmanned aerial systems on the battlefield. The operators are seen carrying out a range of missions, from reconnaissance to targeted strikes on enemy positions and vehicles. Their actions demonstrate both technical skill and tactical planning, contributing to operational success and disrupting adversary movements. Observers note that the effective deployment of these drones has had a measurable impact on the front line, reflecting the growing role of unmanned systems in modern warfare and the evolving strategies employed by drone units. In this scene, a Russian FPV drone becomes entangled in tree branches, and its payload does not detonate. The drone remains operational. Moments later, two Ukrainian infantrymen pass nearby, making for a tense and unusual sequence captured on footage. Footage shows an FPV drone strike carried out near Krasny Lyman, where a roadside ambush targeted Ukrainian personnel, underscoring the continued use of drones in close-range tactical engagements. Footage shows an FPV drone strike attributed to units of the 20th Army, resulting in the disabling of a Humvee armored vehicle, illustrating continued drone use against armored targets on the front line. Footage from the Krasny Lyman area shows FPV drone operators from the 25th Army conducting a nighttime ambush against two Ukrainian soldiers. Strike teams operating attack UAVs from the Ulyanovsk airborne units reportedly destroyed Ukrainian positions in the Zaporizhzhia region, demonstrating the continued use of drones for targeted operations on the front line. The Rubicon unit is actively operating in the Krasny Lyman area. Footage and information suggest the destruction of various enemy assets, including an BMP-1, a quad bike, a ground robotic transport system, pickup trucks, a truck, a patch antenna, temporary deployment points, shelters, firing positions, and a Baba Yaga UAV, highlighting ongoing frontline activity in the region. Soldiers of the 16th Spetsnaz Brigade are reportedly active in the Krasny Lyman area. Recent footage shows the destruction of enemy vehicles and positions, highlighting ongoing frontline operations and tactical efforts in the region. A Russian FPV drone struck a temporary gathering point used by Ukrainian forces, with a dense cloud of smoke visible after the impact. Viewers are invited to share their thoughts on the footage and follow for updates. It was revealed that the Ukrainian infantryman was hiding under a tree. The operator quickly engaged and neutralized the soldier. Footage from Operational Group West, specifically the 6th Army, shows activity in the Kupansk area during the first day of the new year, capturing a dynamic operational environment on the front line. Slippery conditions around Kupansk have created new challenges on the ground, and drone operators from the 6th Army of Operational Group West are taking advantage of the situation, continuing active operations in the area. Another sequence from the Kupansk area captures ongoing combat activity involving drone units operating over the front line. The footage shows Ukrainian personnel moving under difficult conditions while being tracked from the air, reflecting the intensity of operations in this sector. The scenes highlight how drones are used to maintain constant pressure, monitor movement, and shape battlefield dynamics, underscoring the increasingly decisive role of unmanned systems in sustained engagements around Kupansk.